Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're taking a look at this new rechargeable kitchen scale with a glass top. So let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at our kitchen scale. Let's open the box, see what's inside. Seems to be well packaged. Okay, let's see what we have in the box here. Okay, it seems to have some instructions. That's always good in case you need them. Yep, instructions. And let's see. Yep, it's got some kind of a mail-in rebate card. Okay, that sounds good. And it tells you how to go ahead and set it up and check it out. Yeah, different weights and in ounces and milliliters, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. We'll have to check it out together. All right, let's get rid of the box. Let's turn it so you can see it better. There's the scale. And you can turn it on, but I guess we better peel off this label first. What do you think? Well, we'll turn it on anyway. See if it lights up. Okay, I don't see anything yet, but we better take the label off. Oh, there it is. Okay, my first impression is it seems to be really well built, and it has a really nice glass top, so it should be easy to clean. Yeah, that's probably going to hold up pretty well. And I read the capacity of it is up to 33 pounds. Wow, that's quite a bit. I don't know if anything is, well, pretty big ham maybe. Okay, to test how accurate it is, we don't have anything that we really can weigh that we know the exact measurement of, you know, in grams, except maybe a quarter. So we'll put a quarter on there, and it says 6 grams. Now, a quarter, according to the U.S. Mint, weighs 5.67 grams. So that's about 6 grams right there. So it's pretty accurate. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try the weight of a penny. Okay, that penny weighs almost 3 grams. Okay. So according to the U.S. Mint again here, a penny weighs 2.5 grams. That's the new copper plated zinc cent right there, weighs 2.5. So it's hovering between 2 and 3 there, so it's pretty close to it. Very good. Okay, let's try to weigh a nickel here. 5 grams. Okay, here we go again. According to the U.S. Mint, a nickel contains 1.25 grams of nickel and 3.75 grams of copper. So that makes 5 grams. That's right on right there. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so it seems really accurate so far. That's always good. You don't start off with a bad measurement. That's all right. I don't know how to calibrate it, but I'm glad it's calibrated. I'll have to read up on that and see if it is calibratable. If that's a word, yep, it sure is. All right, let's just see how big it is. So we have a tape measure here. Looks to be 6 3/4 wide there. And 9 inches tall here. So it's 6 3/4 by 9 inches. That's pretty big. Okay, it also has units here, so you can switch from, you know, ounces and pounds and also milliliters. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, let's get back to grams. Okay, let's see what was in that little bag. I think it was a charging cable. Yep, that's what it is. A USB-A to a USB Type-C. connector there, yeah. Just like the new ones. Alright, I put that there for a minute. 14 grams, okay. So it looks like you're going to need a wall charger. So we went ahead and bought a couple more wall chargers from Amazon. They're 2.4 amps, so they should be able to handle it. They're nice. They seem to have good output, so yeah, let me see if I can open this box. Yep, okay, there's 2 in a pack. And yeah, it folds up and makes it nice and compact that way. And they seem pretty heavy duty, so 2.4 amps, yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good to have. I'll put a link to these. I'll put a link to these in the description too, in case you need one, because these put out pretty good. They're better than most, I think. Plus they fold up good. Okay, let's get rid of that. Alright, what else can we test here? Let's try something different. Okay, we have a glass bowl here. We can put right in the middle here, and that weighs 214 grams. So we can hit tare and zero that out, right? Then we could put our nickel in there. It should be 5 grams. It is. So less the weight of the glass here, we have 5 grams registered on the scale here, which is really good. That's pretty accurate. That's neat. Okay, let's hit tare to zero it out. Good. Okay, the initial impressions is it's really working good. Nice and accurate. Easy to clean because it's got a glass top, and you can charge it up. No batteries, you know. You just charge it up, and I think they last quite a long time, you know, before you need another charging, because you don't use it continuously. But yeah, and a 33-pound capacity on it. Yep, can't beat that, I don't think. All right, let's do something that we can try it out on to make sure it actually works. Yeah, let's cook something. Okay, I think we're going to switch over to ounces. And we're going to take our bowl here, put it in the middle there, and we're going to tare that, zero it out. Okay, now we're going to add 2 ounces of water to our bowl. Let's see if we can do that. Two ounces right there. Okay, now we're going to crack an egg. Okay, so it's 3.7 ounces with the egg. All right, now we're going to take our egg and put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. We'll make a poached egg. Okay, let's get our scale out of the way here. Okay, while our egg's cooking here, we went ahead and made some toast here with a little bit of butter. Okay, our egg's done. Let's get that out of there. Here it is. Wow, that looks beautiful. All right, let's see if we can get that out of there. Okay, wow. Boy, is that soft. Nice. Let's just put a little salt on. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of parsley flakes. Boy, that looks tasty. Boy, that's a quick way to adjust how much water you have. Each time you can use your scale and measure the exact amount so your eggs turn out the same way each time. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I bet you. All right, let's just get into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice and runny that is. Boy, is that beautiful. All right, let's just have a little taste. All right. Here we go. Yep. Can you see it? Boy, is that tasty looking. Okay, let's just have a little bite. Yep, you can't beat that. They're easy poached eggs right there. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick review of our scale that we purchased. It's a rechargeable scale. You don't need any batteries. You just plug it in the wall and charge them up when you need it. Yep, okay. Yeah, it turned out really good, and it's quick and easy to measure up, you know, your grams, ounces, and milliliters. Yep. So there you have it. Quick and easy poached eggs using our scale that we just tried out. And it worked out beautifully. A 1 cup glass, 2 ounces of water, and 40 seconds in the microwave. Now your microwave may be quicker, so you got to adjust the time. That's all you need to do. And it should turn out really good. And if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.